If you've ever switched phones or just haven't synced to Google Photos in a while, some of your older photos might only exist there, stored on Google servers and not on your phone or any other storage devices at all. This can mean they're at risk of being forgotten or even lost if something were to happen to your account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save photos from Google Photos directly to your iCloud Drive, giving you a second secure copy in your Apple storage. Google Photos can also save directly to your iPhone's photo library or to your iPhone's local files. If you're interested in those options, check the description for related videos I've done. Why is it important to make copies of your photos? Creating at least a second copy of your photos is a smart photo management habit. Even though Google Photos is a great service and generally very safe, having a second copy ensures your memories are far less likely to be lost. Saving to your iCloud Drive gives you an off-device backup, meaning that if you ever lose or replace your iPhone, those photo files are still stored securely in your iCloud account, accessible from any Apple device or through iCloud.com. To start, open the Google Photos app on your iPhone. Then scroll through the photos and select a photo you want to copy to iCloud Drive. Tap the Share icon. There will always be an option to save to files, which can be used to save the photo directly to your iPhone's internal storage or in an iCloud folder. If the photo is not already in your iPhone's photo library, you'll also see an option to save image. Tapping it would save the photo to your iPhone's photo library. For this video, we're saving to the iCloud Drive, so tap Save to Files. When the location selection opens, choose iCloud Drive as the destination. You can place the photo in an existing folder or create a new one if you want. Tap Save, and your selected photo will be saved to your iCloud Drive. You can confirm it's there by opening the Files app and browsing to the iCloud Drive. The saved photo will appear in the folder you chose. From here, that photo is backed up online within your iCloud Drive and accessible from your other Apple devices or the iCloud website. You can also organize or copy the photo as you need. If you want to view the photo, you can open it up or tap Share and send the photo elsewhere. For example, AirDrop it to another device or upload it to another storage service. This method of saving photos works best for a small number of selected photos. While it is possible to select multiple photos within Google Photos and save them this way, if you want to copy a large number of photos or your entire Google Photos library, using Google Takeout is the better option. Google Takeout lets you export all your photos at once, creating a complete backup set you can then upload to iCloud Drive or another storage location. If you're interested in creating a full plan for organizing and protecting your household files, including your photos and important documents, I cover that step by step in an online course. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. Saving Google Photos to your iCloud Drive gives you an extra reliable copy of your photos in Apple's secure cloud storage. From there, you can organize them into folders, share them with family and friends, or download them later if you ever need to recover your files. The goal is to make sure you have at least 2 reliable copies of your photos, so you don't lose any treasured memories. And that's it! Now you know how to save Google Photos to your iCloud Drive. If this helped you out, tap the like button and check the description for more details. My intention with this channel is to help people organize and protect their most important household files, from their photos to everyday documents. Consider subscribing for more tips on protecting and organizing your household files. Thanks for watching.